Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to set wallpaper from TikTok with AI Select. So Samsung lets you turn TikTok videos into wallpapers, but here's the cool part. With AI Select, the system automatically chooses the best part of the video that fits perfectly on your lock screen or home screen. So let me show you how to do this. So here I'll go ahead and open up TikTok and we'll go ahead and search for 4K abstract wallpaper. So now as you can see, some of these wallpapers are videos. However, you want to go ahead and create this into a wallpaper. So let me show you how to do this on your Samsung Galaxy device. So as you can see, I have set this as a wallpaper. However, this is a video, but I've set it as a wallpaper on my screen. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and choose a wallpaper that we want. So for example, this one here. Now we'll go ahead and long press on the TikTok app. We'll tap on clear mode. This will clear the mode here. Now we'll go ahead and bring out the AI Select from our Edge panel. It'll basically select it. Go ahead and choose your favorite moment and then go ahead and tap on the three dots, then tap on Set as Wallpaper. Now go ahead and choose you want it for lock screen and home screen. So tap Next, then tap on Done, and then tap Skip. And now your wallpaper has been set on your Samsung Galaxy device. So there you go guys, that is how to set a wallpaper from TikTok with AI Select.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.